Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm how to change your display language in PowerPoints. So guys, now open just PowerPoint 2016 and click blank presentation, and so I'm just changing display language. So now click file and click options. Okay, now click language and install default language English United States or English United Kingdom. So guys, if you need any more language, just add additional edition language and just click any language. So I need Spanish, just click add and not install. So guys, just okay, and please restart Office that your language can take effect. So guys, if you restart this and successfully working, so goodbye, keep watching this video. Thank you.